How's it going, guys? Thanks for watching another one of my videos. It is October 4th, the Friday before the weekend of Noel's fundraiser event. So, just did a nut and bolt check on the car. Had to put some air in my spares and adjusted the tune a little bit. Put some spark plugs in the old grill. First couple days of October. Wouldn't be Calgary, Alberta if we didn't get a dump of snow already, so might as well shovel the rest of that snow off the trailer and get my car loaded up nice and smoothly. So now that we got the trailer all cleared off, got my tires loaded up, gotta put these dirt bikes away. I still feel like it's too early to be doing that, but whatever. I gotta move the truck and trailer to a different spot in our acreage here because I got a really tall trailer, so move the truck over to a bit better, a little bit more convenient spot and get this car loaded up. The big frickin' rig. I don't know if you guys have seen this this whole apparatus here, but if you go to 403 Street Driven's YouTube channel, you can see a whole camper breakdown, if you will. So make sure you go check that out. They make awesome content. They did a lot of the Titan travels for me, and truck should probably get airbags because the truck alone is 10,800 pounds. I don't know what this thing probably weighs. Shit, 7,000, so almost 18,000 rolling. Anyway, let's get moving. What's up? So it's the morning, Saturday morning now, on our way to the drift event in Claresholm. I'm using my dad's truck. He doesn't have weight in the back like I do, so it's just a little easier. Getting our diesel at a good old petrol can here and all the side. Also grabbing some grub. Letting Theo have a little break from the car seat. We're gonna be back on the road here shortly. We'll be drifting in no time. Felt the best it's ever felt in the last couple of years, since Reno really. Dialing the tune in a bit and fixing a couple oil leaks, but we're hoping to get back out. I'm just honestly so fucking thrilled right now. So thrilled.